Ever wondered how some teams manage to deliver amazing results quickly while staying organized? The secret is Scrum, a powerful framework that makes teamwork smarter and more efficient. Stick around, you'll learn what Scrum is and how it can supercharge your projects. Scrum is a framework for managing complex projects, especially in software development. It helps teams work together, adapt to changes, and deliver value quickly. Think of it as a playbook for your team, keeping everyone aligned and focused on what really matters. Unlike traditional project management where everything is planned up front, Scrum is flexible and evolves as your project progresses. It's all about working in short cycles called sprints, usually 2 weeks long. Scrum has 3 key roles. The product owner. They prioritize tasks and make sure the team is working on the most valuable features. The Scrum Master. Think of them as a coach, ensuring the team follows Scrum practices. The development team. They're the ones who actually do the work. Here's how it works. It starts with the product backlog, a to-do list of all the tasks. In sprint planning, the team picks tasks they can complete in the sprint. Then comes the sprint itself. This is where the magic happens. The team works on the tasks over a short, focused period. At the end of the sprint, there's a review to showcase what's done and a retrospective to improve for the next sprint. Let's say your team is building a mobile app. Instead of planning the entire app up front, Scrum breaks it into small, manageable chunks. In Sprint 1, you might focus on creating a login screen. By Sprint 2, you're adding a dashboard. Each sprint delivers a usable piece of the app, so you're constantly making progress and getting feedback. With Scrum, you can quickly adapt to feedback, like changing the design or adding new features, without derailing the entire project. So why is Scrum so popular? It's flexible, allowing teams to adapt to change. It's transparent, so everyone knows what's going on. And it delivers faster results, keeping clients and stakeholders happy. Ready to transform how you work? Start using Scrum and experience the difference. Whether you're managing a team or just curious about better workflows, Scrum is your go-to framework. Hit that like button if this was helpful, subscribe for more project management tips, and let us know in the comments, how do you manage your projects right now?